Uganda Telecom is the country's oldest phone and data network. President Museveni says the mismanagement of the firm has led to its ruin, but adds the liability situation is not as bad as has been previously portrayed. And Mr. Museveni wants the telecom firm revamped, a move economic analysts say is risky.
Yes, UT are going to have a very big customer who has a likelihood of failing to pay them because it has happened before. So I can see a recursive effect of a very big risk that might actually take the entity down, but also affect government delivery of services.
Uganda Telecom's total debt stands at more than $55 million. President Museveni wants all the debt owed to the government be converted into equity. The directive also instructs all government agencies to purchase data services from the telecom firm rather than competitors.
We're working rapidly towards integrating government systems so that we start to provide quality e-services, online services to citizens, so that citizens can access government services without coming to government offices. And that's our next prime objective in the next 2 years.
In March 2017, the government took over the management of Uganda Telecom following a failure by the Libyan majority shareholders to inject more money into the venture. For the last 10 years, this telecom firm, the oldest in the country, has been characterized by heavy debt, decline in market share and governance challenges, all due to inadequate investment, competitive pressure from the other telecom companies, but also a dilapidated network that may need a complete overhaul. Some economic analysts argue that it may be time for government to opt out.
I think we need to get to a level where you say, like the Libyans, when do you sign off and stop throwing your pennies, your pounds after the pennies? Count your losses, because any future engagement is going to be even more costly. Signing off at this point is good enough.
The Libyan government still holds 69% of Uganda Telecom through a private company, but has now abandoned the company following the ousting of the Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi in 2011 and the political turmoil there. The government of Uganda owned 31% shares. The question now is whether the Ugandan president's intervention will be able to change the fortunes of Uganda Telecom. Baleke, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.